Jonathan Majors is in court today in New York City for domestic assault and harassment charges he's facing. The 34-year-old was allegedly involved in a domestic dispute back in March with his former girlfriend, Grace Jabari. Majors has pleaded not guilty to charges of assault and aggravated harassment. And by the way, he also unsuccessfully tried to file a counter complaint in June, claiming he was the one assaulted by her in the same incident. To break down the latest in today's trial, we're joined by Scripps News National correspondent Axel Tercios, who's live in New York, where some of this is going down. Axel, Jonathan Majors, he was becoming a major star. He had millions of fans, the wind at his back, and then this. What more can you tell us about the case?
That is exactly correct, Chance. And today the jury selection has started, and it is expected it will continue for most or all of the week before opening arguments begin. And before the jury selection could begin Wednesday, Majors' attorneys were able to prevent members from the public and members from the press from entering the courtroom to discuss evidence in the case that has not been made public yet. The judge agreed, saying that the evidence was likely to be, quote, inflammatory and could taint a jury pool if it were reported to the media. So basically, the case is said to be around a fight that happened in the backseat of a car back in March between Majors and his then girlfriend, Grace Jabari, over Majors' phone after apparently she saw a message that was coming from another woman. Prosecutors say Majors assaulted her while grabbing the phone back, twisting her forearm, striking her right ear, and after she got out of the vehicle, he threw her back into the car violently. So the actor, who is famous for Creed 3 and the Marvel Cinematic Universe movies, is fighting to prove his innocence and to salvage his reputation. He was actually being set up as the next Marvel supervillain, but that right now is in limbo. Chance.
Yeah, and Axel, like you said there, he says, I'm not guilty of any of this. There's a ton on the line. And many legal experts actually point out that this is a rare misdemeanor case going to trial. Why is that?
Chance, this is because normally defendants in misdemeanor cases, they plead guilty so that they could avoid serious jail time. But in this case, the actor and his attorney have been, disputing the case aggressively, saying that he's not guilty and that he's the actual victim and that his accuser is the one who attacked him. So the actor has pleaded not guilty, and if convicted, he could face up to a year in jail. Chance.
Okay, a lot of this being kept behind closed court doors at this time, but thank you for bringing us the latest. Axel Tercios, live in New York. Appreciate it.